Hi everyone, the topic for my chosen cultural group is backpackers. I will take you through the overall research and the design response I created after analyzing the problems faced by backpackers. There are different kinds of tourism, of which backpacking culture is one of the niche markets. Although in the recent times it has become very affordable, therefore it is very prevalent now. Since I love traveling, I always had the passion to become a backpacker. This is what motivated me towards the theme. I then researched to analyze the problems encountered by most of the backpackers. On the top being they have a fixed budget. They are always on a search of a job which will help them plan the next of their rest of their trip. They find it very difficult to understand the local language of the people. They are also exposed to heat, which causes a lot of health problems. I then defined my problem in order to find the gap in the Australian culture to generate a mission statement with a set target audience. My mission statement states to close the gap by making people interact more with others rather than being glued to their phones, making them indulge in practical experience in order to understand the absorbed culture of Australia. The target audience for my project is are young adults from the age group of 24 to 35. Therefore, the project aims to create a recreational space for backpackers to collaborate with other people and learn in depth about Australian culture through art in the space. Also, to promote backpacking tourism by giving them an opportunity for cultural jobs, which will give them a hands on experience about Australia's culture and identity. In my initial research, I analyzed the needs of backpackers, what they pack differently in the Australian culture, also, what are the basic requirements, internet being the top priority. The research then helped me to understand the gap in detail in order to generate a design response for the same. These days, technology is overpowering the relationships of people as people have become very tech savvy. I chose two case studies of different media in order to generate a response. The first one focuses on how I could connect backpackers with the Australian culture through art and travel. The second case study is that of a website that could be an inspiration in order to take my design forward as it has certain key elements for my project. After the research, I generated personas of two different categories of people in order to understand the needs and frustrations. The only common thread in both of them the are managing the trip on a low budget without having to spend much. Both are eager to learn about the culture of the country and its identity. For my design response, after analyzing both the case studies of two different media, my idea is to create a recreational space where they could perform different activities to get a deeper knowledge of the Australian culture, or to create a space intended for backpackers to interact, rest, learn, and collaborate with the local community in regards to life and culture. Also creating job opportunities so that they could sustain and travel around Australia. The name of the recreational space is Culturescape. Culturescape denotes a space that is an escape for all backpackers to meet, greet, and start a conversation after a long day of travel. This recreational space is called Culturescape because it is an escape for all backpackers into the wilderness where they will also get cultural experiences with work as well as travel. Culturescape is a space that is designed for the modern world of backpackers where they can interact and connect with other backpackers. It is an amalgamation of travel, work, and art involving cultural aspects. Usually, backpackers get very tired of traveling for long hours as they are exposed to a lot of heat. Therefore, the space will help them indulge in social activities as well. Logo The logo is designed using the countryside font. The man at the end depicts a way of escape towards the cultural wilderness, keeping the font simple and not adding too many elements. I just wanted to focus on the essence of the name. For the location, I chose Blue Mountains as it has many farms that are linked. This will form a key element for the project as they can get easy access for their cultural jobs. I generated a storyboard right from when the user would enter the place to the complete process of what kind of activities he would get indulged in the particular space. Conclusion: since Australians have a laid back lifestyle, they love interacting with other people. Therefore, Culturescape is an amalgamation of travel, art, and work.